you don't have to know foreign languages anymore. OneNote can translate your language into any language you desire. I have some text here. I select it. I don't have to select the whole thing. I have just to show off a little bit. To translate, I go to the View tab, look for Translate, and I set the language I'm interested in translating. So it's detecting the language for me, but it's going to translate. Well, if I go to English, you're not going to be impressed. I'm not going to be impressed. But here are all the languages that are possible. I know just a little bit of Spanish, enough to be dangerous. Now, if you don't want to lose the original text, click somewhere else. Otherwise, you will replace what you have originally typed in the language. So I'll just click somewhere else and click the Translate. And they've actually, because I did the entire text box, they have created a whole new page of this. So this is the Spanish version of that. And I still have the original English above it. So my Spanish is not, I know that Escriba is, I thought that was right. So it's translating has come a long way. This is a really much better than it used to be. Yeah, I'm not sure I know exactly what all these words are, but I'm going to trust that OneNote does.